The hose delivers water from the pressure washer pump to the wand. Over time, the rubber and plastic hose will age and begin to develop cracks, which can lead to leaks. O-rings in the fittings can crack, also causing a leak. The hose can melt if it is pulled near to or contacts the muffler, and it can be cut if it is pulled around a sharp edge. Replacing your pressure washer's hose is an easy repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin the installation of our new pressure washer hose by installing some grease onto the O-rings on each fitting. I'll put a little grease on my finger and work it onto the O-rings. The grease will prevent corrosion, will make the O-ring last longer, and will make the fitting go together a little easier. Once both fittings are greased, I'll install one side to the pump and the other to the wand. I'll start with the pump. I insert the fitting on the hose into the pump and then secure it with the coupler. And now I do the same thing on the wand. Again, I insert the O-ring fitting and then secure it with the threaded coupling. These couplings don't need to be very tight. The O-ring is sealing the water, not the threads.